everyone, so today I would like to share with you this patio umbrella. It has a rectangular shape with a size of 15 by 9 foot. It is extra large and it provides a shadow of up to 133 square foot of area. Now, the umbrella itself comes in this gorgeous beige color and it is made with a high quality polyester fabric. Now, the fabric is waterproof, UV resistant, and also fade resistant. Now, the whole frame it's made in alloy type of steel. It comes with 12 ribs, very sturdy, you guys, and also it is anti-rust. This product is also equipped with 36 LED lights that are powered by 3 solar panels that are located at the top of the umbrella. So with that, you guys, you can charge it during the daytime and enjoy of light during the nighttime. This is the perfect umbrella for your patio, for your garden. I mean, it's great addition for your home. So I really hope you will enjoy this product, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.